This video is designed to help you navigate week 1 of the semester or module 1. And so what I want to show you here is that I went to the main page and went to module 1. And in module 1 you can see the week 1 and you can see what you're expected to know about things this week. You also see some of the things that you're supposed to turn in. But you want to remember that anytime you do this, you're always looking to see what's here, because these are the things that actually wind up being things that are assignments. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this right now because I see that there's one other issue, and that is we need 1.7 because you have a draft proposal that is due as well. Now, what I want you to know is that the first week is your busiest week. You have a lot of stuff that you're being asked to do, but you can make this happen. I want you to know that inside the module lesson, you're going to actually find 3 lectures, okay? And then if we go back to module 1 and look at the module activities, what you're being asked to do, and we'll click on that right there to get to module activities. And then we'll be able to see. So there's going to be a discussion board where you introduce yourself. This is mandatory assignment. Everybody needs to know what everybody is doing. And I'll just tell you for myself, just so that you know a little bit about me. I'll do a course introduction, but I'm going to do the course introduction within this overview video. I want you to know that I've been a professor at Arkansas State University since 1988. And so that puts me at several years being there, and I teach mostly graduate level courses. I work with master's thesis students. I also teach the capstone course in this degree program and the audience market analysis class and the theory class. I also teach a management media entrepreneurship class, and I teach an undergraduate management and entrepreneurship class. So you'll do the discussion board, this particular discussion board, you'll also do that. Just so I know that you're reading the content, I ask you to provide when you look at the syllabus, I'll ask you to provide a short paragraph about the syllabus. There will be a video that you can actually watch about the syllabus, and I encourage you to watch it because lots of times the syllabus does not explain everything. And when I do the video, I explain everything. So, or at least I try to explain everything. You also see, whereas the lessons had the blocks of video, also had the videos in here. The lesson ones actually have the closed captioning on them. If you need that, that will be available to you as well. And here it just shows you the expectation. So if I click on this, I'm going to see that my first assignment is due on a Monday, and it's going to be due at 8 o'clock. And so you're being asked to actually provide, for this part, you only need a paragraph for each video, and you place all of those paragraphs into one file and submit it. When you do your file names, please, 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 listen, listen, listen. I want you to put your name on the file. I want you to then put, in this case, 1.3 syllabus video notes. And then save that file, and that's what you turn in. Do not turn in 1.3 syllabus. If you don't have your name on it, we will not be grading them. The fourth thing that you're actually doing is the looking at the lectures. So you'll do that. And then the fifth thing, actually provide you with the APA manual, so you really don't have to purchase that if you don't want to, but you can. It's not a bad idea to purchase it, but you can download it right here if you want to. And I go through and walk you through the process of doing APA. You'll notice in this particular assignment that you're asked to do a citation for a book, a journal, a trade magazine, a thesis, and an online report. I've given you one online report. You may want to look for the most recent one that's available out there, because every year they put out a new one in March for the Infinite Dial. I would encourage you to use journal articles, books, trade magazines, thesis, and online reports that go toward what you believe your topic will be for this particular class. And so, in essence, you could do your APA citations over things that you're going to include in your paper, and then when it comes time to do the draft proposal, you actually have those citations already built for you. This draft proposal is designed to simply allow me to find out more about what your ideas are based upon your topic ideas, and that's a good thing. We just get started with the draft. Here's actually how it will be graded, and here's an example. For the draft proposal, I am not expecting this, but I do want to see a statement of problem, if at all possible, so that I can go, oh, okay, these are the theories that can actually help this particular person do the task that they need to do. So while it looks like a bunch of stuff, well, there is another thing. There's a test. So instead of doing massive amounts of notes on each of these lectures, the test questions will cover the majority of the material that is there. So this concludes the overview for week 1.